show coordinate on screen. The robots rotating direction already correct to the right hand rule, and the ABB 2400 and 7600 can work correctly. In RPG2, the first join of robot rotating 90 degrees, the second join rotating 30 degrees, the third join rotating minus 30 degrees. As displayed on the screen, the pose cannot tell us what the angle rotating for every joint, so it's better to display the rotating angle for individual axis showing coordinate on the screen. In CMS CAPP, we display at the left button the corner. Two parts to display. One is texture, J1 to J6. As display the character on the screen with black colors, maybe will mix up with the screen background colors. So we add a window on the back of display text, so no matter what the background color is, we always can see the axis coordinates clearly. Let's open RPG2. Open workspace. From C drive, RPG demo, and open RPG2, open DSW, and check the program to see if the previous version. We open FNAC 710 first. So it is correct. And open 7600 ABB robot. The piston okay. Then everything is previous version, no problem. Let's start it to copy the instructions we need from CMS CAPP's English version. Move to here and open workspace. From D drive, CMS GAC, and the English version is this one, CAPPKH CMS, and open DSW. Okay, the program what we want to copy to display the coordinates of J1 to J6, and display number, station number, and the join mode, Cartesian modes. Okay, let the system running. Okay, that's it. Display current is display J1 to J2, J6 coordinates. We need this one. From here until here, we have to copy to RPG2. But we have only one control station, so we have to delete all the variable which has influence to the display. Okay, it seems too many instructions of CMS CAPP. We just wait for a while. To copy from here until here to RPG2. The robot modes, the P9 ST-1 has to be removed. Okay, careful. Slowly to here. Release the finger. And we separate two parts. First, display the control and the join mode Cartesian coordinate system only. The next, to handle the J1 to J6 coordinate display. Copy to where? To before the message display, to this place. Past. And we say we have to remove the J1 to J6 display only to handle, and we have only one, no other option. N1 coordinate control system depends on the modes to display join mode or Cartesian coordinate system. The multi stations has to be removed. Okay. The text font, maybe we didn't specify it. In here is text font 2, so we need to copy more text to RPG2. That's C. Wingman. C 缝 M 缝 Wingman M 缝 open, and to see the C 缝. Okay, we have 3 divided by C 缝 class. The same in here in CMS CAPP. C 缝 3. But in initial, let's see. In initial, how many phones divide? Let's see. Okay. FONT 4. So how many in RPG2? Initial position. Nothing. So we have to copy all of this to here. So if initial, we have to shut down. Phone is free to shut down. These 4 phones copy, and in RPG2 we have to see the shutdown. Okay, so let's compiler. Two errors. Join more and system pause variable undeclared. So let's copy join more. Copy. At the bottom of variable group, and system pause. The multi-station 9, cancel it. Okay, and then compiler. Zero error, and go. Something in here. If we change the background scene color, the red pixel 200, you can see the black characters. Now, number 1, control system and the mechanical coordinate typing on here. Okay, finished. Then we solve the J1 to J6 next. F2. Oh, we didn't mark Control F2. Then we have to search. Use the phone. Okay, next we'll handle these instructions. Okay, these three routines we have to copy from CMS CAPP. Copy from display column. Display column P and display status. Three routines. Copy to put in front of frame. Okay, the multi stations we have to remove first. This one. Before doing anything, we mark Control F2 at the beginning. So we use replace O to handle P9 ST -1. Replace with nothing. Replace O. Okay. This is first one. And F2. And the I9 has to be removed. Replace find what? Find I9. Replace with nothing. Okay. F9. And 9 station 4 I9 equal to 0 until I9 has to be removed. For every I4, I9 has to be removed. We have only single coordinate system, not 9 station. And these routines not handled in RPG2. We remove it. Okay, let's compiler. "31 errors." Control Home. Control F, error. Run 6 mode. Okay, then let's copy run 6 mode from CMS CAPP. Copy. Put down here. Right. Compiler. "30 errors." Okay, the robot mode without 0. Then we use replace all. ROBOT, robot, mode 0 replaced with robot mode replace all. Okay, then compiler. "26 errors. STTIP, the tip coordinates of the tool. STTIP, copy. Cancel 9. Cancel. Okay, compiler again. "20 errors. Control F error. G54X. G54X. Copy. Cancel 9. And then compiler again. "14. Number station. Okay, all the 9 has to be removed. Compiler again. 13 errors. Okay, limit switch. Let's search. Limit switch. Copy down here. We use the fastest way. Control F2 here, and use replace to remove all the 9 with nothing. Replace all. Okay, and then compiler. Seven errors. Okay, the line removed. Maybe have more. Let's see how many. Compiler next. Okay. We already see this one. What else? This one. What else? This one. This one. There's compiler. One error only. Control Home, Control F, error. Color mode not identified. CURRENTM. Copy it. Put down here. And then compile it. One error. Control F. Original redefined. If redefined, we cancel one. Okay, after J1 to J0 error, after display, if everything okay, next we'll handle the window. That's it. You see SYZ UVW coordinates 90, 30, 30 displayed. Then open a window to let the character display, the axis coordinate display clearly. How to do it? We can see the show menu. 1. The first 3 instructions just display the window. We copy it and to put into RPG2. Where to put it? Just before the coordinates, we create a static window first, and then on top of the window we write down the J1 to J6 coordinates and some control join mode whatever on top of the window as well. You can see static move for the standard coordinate of the screen 1024 by 768, coordinate 740620 somewhere, and the left and the right button positions, but with the adjustment IDX and IDY. The area of the window in X coordinates 284 pixels, in Y direction 100 pixels. Suppose like this size, with 3 colors. The big area on the ground color with R pixel 128 pixels. G green colors with 250 pixels, B 192 pixels. So the green one is biggest. So the underground of the windows seems like green. And these two colors, 255, 255, 255, is white. White to fill in the boundary, the top and the left boundary with white. 000 is black. The button and the right H join with black color. You can change the colors whatever you want, and change the window size as well. Then the window static render. So we have to use M to create M statics to find the class first. Static 1. Okay, C window. Copy this to RPG2. Just put the windows in here. If we define a C window, we have to include the window header, this one. And the rear of Wingman. Otherwise, C window cannot be used. Okay, let's compile it. But don't forget the initial, although 0. We have to initial and shut down the static 1. So initial to see where is the static 1. It's better by searching. Static 1. Okay, static 1 has to be created. Copy. Back to RPG2. Find the initial first. Initial, put the static 1 create at this position. And then don't forget shut down static 1. Searching static 1. Close window. And back to RPG2. Shut down. Close window before graphic shutdown. That's it. Okay, let's compile it. Okay, 0 error. We hope as running go to see the window at the bottom of the characters, and then we can use scene input to adopt FNAC 710 on the screen, and you can see the pose of FNAC 710. The first join turning 90 degrees with right hand rule, the J2 turning 30 degrees toward the right side, and J3 turning minus 30 degrees. So this arm locate horizontally. So everything soft. Then we finish this lecture.